Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I make these single die cut stickers and also sticker sheets at home using Procreate and the Cricut from start to finish. The first thing I do is I take out my iPad Pro. I'm using an iPad Pro 10.5 inches and my Apple Pencil. I open Procreate and start with a blank canvas. It's better to have a bigger canvas so you can scale your artwork down to maintain quality rather than upscaling it and making it all pixelated. I'm going to start with making single stickers, so I'm just going to draw whatever I want the sticker to look like. I decided to draw a girl, but you can draw whatever you want. Once you're done with your design, you just hide your background and create a new layer underneath your drawing, so you can go ahead and draw in your typical white sticker border. I use the hard airbrush to do so, and a little trick to have more clean lines is to increase the streamline option in the brush settings, so this will make it easier to create even lines. And then what I do is I hide the drawing layer so I can fill out the whole background for the white sticker border, which can be important later on, because if you have a little gap in between there and you don't see it, the Cricut machine will cut it out and it's just not so nice. So yeah, just make sure that the white sticker border is a complete shape. Save your sticker without the background as a PNG file. This is how it would look like if you would create a sticker sheet. So here I created a canvas which was about the size of the sticker sheet that I want, like about A6. And I just draw in all the designs that I want and create a border around every single one. And you can put a background there so you can see how it looks like. But with the Cricut machine, the background will always be white. So there's no need to design a background, it's just for you to make it easier to see how the stickers will look like at the end. And you want to save it the same way you did with the single sticker, so you just export it as a PNG without the background. Okay, so next thing we want to do is we want to open up the Cricut Design Space app and start a new project and upload the sticker you just created. And then it will show you something like that. Here you are asked to remove everything that should not be on the sticker, but since we already removed the background and created the sticker already the way it should look like, we don't have to do anything in here, so we can just skip to the next one. And here it will show you the cut lines or shape your sticker will have, and when you're happy with that, you just continue. You save your project as a print then cut project and not just as a cut project, because we didn't print our stickers yet. Now it's time to make your stickers the size you want it to be at the end. I think I want mine around like 7 centimeters height. So I will just scale it down and I can see the measurements for the stickers in this little box. And then you want to place it in the top left corner. And since we can fit multiple stickers on one piece of paper, you just select it, go to Actions and duplicate your content. Save your project and tap on Make It. Okay, here you can see the preview of how it would look like. It will use 2 pieces of paper. This is not really what I want, so I will go back and delete a couple of stickers. Okay, and now it shows you that it will only use 1 piece of paper, which was exactly what I wanted. So now it's time to take out your paper. I use 2 types of paper. One is matte and one is glossy, and they're both printable vinyl sticker paper. This is the matte option and it comes directly from Cricut. And this one is the glossy paper. It is from Evergreen Goods and I ordered both of them on Amazon. But today I'm gonna go with this one. So now it's time to start your printer and put in your paper. As I already showed you in my last vlog where I showed you my process of making art prints at home, I use the Canon Pixma Pro 10S printer, but you can use any kind of printer. The only important thing is that it is an inkjet printer because most vinyl sticker paper works with inkjet printers and not so much with laser printers. Now it's time to go back to your Cricut Design Space app and click on Print. If you use the desktop version, it will ask you if you want a bleed or not. And if you created a border like we did before, you can unselect the bleed. In the meantime, you can start your Cricut machine. So I use the Cricut Maker. Cricut has a lot of options. I think for making stickers you can use every machine. So you open up the machine and start it. The printer is done printing and now it's time for you to check if everything looks good to you. I think for me everything looks fine and I really like how the colors turned out. So now you take out your Cricut mat that comes with the Cricut machine. It is a little sticky. And you just place the paper exactly the way it shows you on the app, so on the top left corner. And then you have to choose what material you're going to use. Cricut has a bunch of options for materials you can choose from. For me, the sticker paper option is the best option for die cut single stickers. And then you put the mat right here between those two things and align it straight. And with a little pressure on the mat, you press the load button. Once the Cricut button is flashing, you can go ahead and start cutting out your stickers. So now comes the fun part and you can remove the paper. A little trick to remove the single stickers without bending them is to bend the mat instead, and I use this little thing to go under the sticker and take it off. And then you have a bunch of beautiful new handmade stickers. Okay, and now I'm just quickly going to show you the differences when you want to cut a sticker sheet instead of single stickers. So you upload the file that you created and turn it around 90 degrees and duplicate it so you can fit two on one paper. Print it out and put it on the mat. And the only difference is really just what kind of material you choose. I find that for me, the sticky note option works best. Again, bend the mat and not the paper. And there we go. Now I take out my cutting machine and I use the black lines as a reference where to cut. And then I measure the size of the two sticker sheets. This one is 20 centimeters, so now I will cut it right in the middle. And there we go, now you have a beautiful sticker sheet too. So that's everything for this video. I really hope that you find this useful. If you did, please let me know. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments too. And if it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. I would be very happy about that. And I'll see you next time. Bye!